Is your belt sander not working? Well, when I turn it on, it spins. As soon as I put some pressure with some wood on here, it stops. So I decided to open it up and find out what's wrong. On the back side, it has this cover. Take out these two screws. Already removed the belt, and on the back of the belt, the little nubs that are on the belt that go onto these two wheels, they were wore out. So I just ordered a new belt. Okay, get a pair of pliers. Remember, this is plastic, so don't squeeze too hard. And then when you have the screw, you would actually turn it right to loosen it. Okay? I had loosened it a little, so it's not normally that easy. Now remove the wheel. Okay? It has a flat spot in it where that little nub goes. Take this, put it on the bottom, put it on your belt, put the belt on the wheel, get it all the way on. Spin it a little bit. Make sure you have the belt all the way on here and here. Now put your screw back in. Now it turns the opposite way to tighten it. Okay. Now it's all tightened. Now let's put this back on. Now plug it in. Turn it on. Working great. Fantastic. Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you on the next one. Boy, I'm so glad that worked out great. I don't have to buy a new one. I've had this quite some time, and I thought about possibly buying a new one, but it was a simple fix. Okay.